Circle. Don't go to your hip. Come back up. Get your hips under you. Get your hips under you. Elevate that. Post your right hand and elevate. You gotta wrestle here. Face him, face him. Hits that one. Stop. Hey. Up. You hit that shot up. That's a killer. 3-0, man. 3-0 right out. Absolutely killer. 10 seconds left. That's on you, Webb. He's going ankle, Cam.
Now wrestling mat number 1 at 144 pounds, championship semifinals, one of our marquee matchups. He comes in ranked number 4 in the state. He was 3rd in the state of California last year. From Buchanan High School, Blake Woodward. And his opponent, he comes in ranked number 2 in the state, but he is your defending California state champion. From Columbus High School, McKay Zinken.
Get off our hips. Up, Kim. Action. Hoover? I don't know. There was a. Oh, this is Hoover High School. Yeah. Damn, 10 seconds left. Hurry, Cam! Hurry! Stay up. Wait, how do we get 6? Hey, how did he get? Hey guys. You're not on deck, please. Please, you guys, if you have nobody on deck. Thank you guys. Appreciate you guys. Sorry about that, huh? No, I know I didn't put it in. Oh, it's out of your guy right now. He's grabbing the head. Hey, there's a lot of growth there, huh? Hey, Josh, how do you have 6? Well, what you want to do? 3 toes down. Turn, cradle. Cut him, we're down here. Yeah. God, you would have got that escape.
Now wrestling on mat number 3 at 138 championship semifinals.
Iowa that leg.
Number 13 in the state.
Iowa the leg.
Raymond.
Get off 2 wrist hooks.
And his opponent, currently ranked number 5 in the state. From Columbus North, Leo Mayastas.
Hey, let go of that crap in this angle. Cradle, cradle, cradle. Yes. Post your hand on the mat, take the head to the leg.
Hey, you got a minute, Kim.
You gotta find a reshot. Angles! Angles, Cameron! Move his head! Switch to a single! Switch to a single! 2 hands to it! Dump it! Dump it! Dump it! Dump it!
Drive.
Right hand over his waist!
Oh, 20 seconds.
Keep his arm right hand!
Now wrestling on mat number 2,
Cam.
144-pound championship semifinal.
10 seconds, Cam. 10
Number 7
seconds.
in the state from Vacaville, Ryan Cerda. And his opponent, he's currently ranked number 1 in the state from Buchanan High School, Joseph.